Morning everybody. Video this morning. I've been obviously putting carpets in Ely. I've had to like Bespoke make them because it's Mark 1 and they don't make one. I mean, I showed you a bit of one at underlay, but I mean, this is like bench I've been working on. That's centre console. There's just a couple of pieces of carpets to drop in here. And to be honest, I mean, tools I basically use Stanley knife, obviously straight edges, and these are scissors I use. Now, these are tough built. If I'm not mistaken, I'm sure I bought them from either Tool Station or Screwfix. Can't remember which one, but they're American, but they're really good. They're made in China, obviously, but listen, they're unbelievable on cutting carpets and that. But only thing I find is just keep your gum cleaned off here, and they're all right. But the Yank idea, they're really good scissors. So I'll go out at the car anyway and let you have a look what I've been up to. Got a bit of a light, and I can't find my best light, my duller light, but... So, we're all sorted, but what's going to happen now is this front, well, all four mats have got to go up to be edged. And, I mean, he's got the seats at minute as upholsterer. In fact, we'll have you a trip up to upholsterers when I do. He works in a shed, does it, Mark? His dad used to be at Spannerman when me and Barry were painting, when we first started. I'm talking when I was a bit of a kid. His dad's not with us now. His dad's been gone a while. So... if you can see in here, I mean, I don't know what camera's picking up. This has obviously come round this corner in a few pieces. There's a join here. There's quite a few joins in it. I mean, obviously there's stuff up here. I mean, I'm just trying to show you the best I can. And might get a better idea if I flick that out. And you can pick up what I've got up to. Cat's just coming. I'm sure she's got some kittens because she's a bit in and out at the minute. But that's another... thing. Right, so like I said, these are to go up and done. Also, we've got join here, join over the top here. Now, when I join that up, to be honest, I always leave that end flying through a bit, so I'm not having to go too far back. So I get a nice tight joint here, then flip that up, quick cut with knife, and drop it in. I mean, you've got a bit of excessive bagginess here, but there's a trunk in here for some cables that run down to that side foot seat. So I think they're for a seatbelt warning when they're in America, but obviously, it sells. They're all just one piece down there. Every piece of this just come on a roll. I manufactured everything. I've done one arch there that way, but I haven't done this arch yet because I've got another idea for doing arches. I'm not 100% happy because around these seatbelt anchors, I'm going to do something in stainless to clad them up, make them look a bit better. But we're on right track with it. But I just thought I'd show you because it's quite. Well, it's not a walking park, it's making a carpet set up, but it's something that you can quite easily manage. I'm going to try another light, see if we can get you a bit. As you can see down there, I don't know how well you can see, but it's very awkward behind pedals. You know, I mean, this is probably not best light to show you, to be quite honest. But, this is my other light that I can't find. It's brilliant for showing you out like this, but if you look down there, not easiest of jobs, far from easiest of jobs, getting into them tight corners and that pedals there. I mean, I ain't got accelerator pedaling yet, thank God. So, but also you get quite a few steps in them. They've got a bit of a bulging thing here. I don't know why they have that for Jensen, but it's just what it is. You've just got to work with what you've got to work with. But once they're edged up and in, bit of contact here. I'm going to only slightly contact him, so on mats, because then if he does need a mat, you know, I mean, somebody did comment in past about him that it's a convertible and it could get wet. Well, quite rightfully so in the comments, you know what they said. But to be honest, it's look at Joe. It has got an hardtop car, so whether he goes out with hardtop on or whether he goes out as a convertible, I mean, I don't really have any. Well, I don't really have a say in how he drives it or what he does with it, but. End of the day, all underneath this carpet is all fully painted, it's all been epoxied, everything's been done correctly, so even if the car took some water, it would dry out. So, here's just a quick look round at it's quite a short video, a bit of a bespoke carpet set I've had to build for an Mark 1 Ely, but to be quite honest, there's not a lot you can show and do, it's all at work, but to be honest, if I'd have fetched you in and showed you every little detail, this video would have just gone on forever. You've just got to do the best you can, keep your joints as possibly as tight as you can, and just do a job. I mean, I'll show you obviously when it's done and the lipped up and seats, and you'll see a bit further, because got material for door cards, all back here, got these bits to make. But at the moment, mark upholstery. I mean, I'll just do door cards and these bits, but he's got the material because he's on with the seat. So if you like video, everybody, give us a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, this is how varied it is. I mean, like I said, we're on a carpet set now, showing you basics in do's and don'ts. Well, I'm not showing you basic. I ain't really showing you an awful lot, but what I'm saying is I'm just explaining how many different pieces have gone in, and you just got to grim and bear it. There's no set way. I don't care what anybody says. People will say, well, you do it this way, people say that, but it's like hotels. Jump in, get your carpet, stop, think about what you're doing. I mean, I will, when I put a set of carpets in a Zephyr, I'll show you, because to be honest, we've got a ballroom. I can set camera up and I can do it easy. I can explain orchid joints and stuff like that. So anyway, give us a like, subscribe if you want to watch more stuff like this, and pass a comment if you want to know about this, or well, you want to see, well, I'll tell you what, pass a comment even if there's all you want to see. Just give us a shout. I'm always up to something, you know that. Thanks a lot, bye.